Hello everyone, I want to talk to you about a brand new product from Advanced Direct Marketing Services named Client Builder. We've been developing this for the last 3 months or so, and I'm going to go over some of the features here and let you know about our new product. This is pretty interesting. We've been working for a long time and being able to connect with brand new companies as they come online. And one of the easiest ways I found out really is just to find the brand new domains as they are registered and to obtain the information from the owner to be able to direct email or socially connect with them. Now, what I'm going to show you, some of this has been done before, but some of it has not. And this is really a very simple, powerful way to connect with your target market. And for those of you that want to distinguish yourself in the marketplace and not have to compete with everybody else, being able to get brand new domain data like this, brand new companies as they come online via their domains, allows you to distinguish yourself from other companies and get your foot in the door first before you're competing with everybody else. So I'm going to show you how that's done right now. I just put in a keyword, marketing here, and set the limit to 100. It went back 7 days. You can go up to 30 days, but I just set it to 7. I selected all domains. Of course, most of them will be .com, but I just selected all and hit the search, pulled in the data. And so I want to show you this. We have the domain. So diamondselectmarketing.com, for instance, is the first one up here. And these are the owner's names, first and last. Okay. Now we're doing this for United States only. So if you're thinking about a different country that you're marketing to, this would not apply. This is only United States, not Canada, not Australia, not Western Europe, just the United States. Including Puerto Rico. So we have nice clean email addresses here, and we have the total readout, so we got a full 100. There's probably 200 or 300 just in the last week, and I could have just done one day if I would have wanted to. But anyway, so once we have this data, then we can go ahead and send an email marketing message to them. We can also find out where they're at on Facebook, Google+, Twitter, and LinkedIn. And we can automate the processes for Google+ and Twitter, and you can click to their Facebook and LinkedIn accounts as well if you'd like. Now, we have a section up here, I'll show you that in a minute, where we set up the emails. And so we can select the email that we want right here in the drop down and send how many we would want to select, how many we would want to send, like 100. And then other than that, we can put in an email or multiple emails here. This is a seeder function, so that when you do send out, then that message will also come into your inbox so that you can check and make sure that you're getting into the inbox all the time. And so that's very easy. You just put in an email address. If you want to put in more than one, then you just separate them by a comma or semicolon. Anyway, other than that, all you have to do is hit send emails. Now, what I want to do is I also want to show you our other steps to doing this, because it's very easy to go in and just hit the button, boom, and get your message to these people. And we show you exactly how to set that up. It's very simple. All of this is actually very simple and very straightforward. This is a very simple program to run. If you want to, you can save these results into a database. You just label it and click include, and then it'll archive the data. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go ahead and do what we call a start social scan. I'm going to select, let's just say the top dozen or so emails here, and here we go. And I'm going to click Start Social Scan. And what this will do is it will begin reverse engineering where this person is in the social ecosphere of these major social networks by reverse engineering this email address. This is all automated. It does take a couple minutes to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, and I'll come back as soon as this is done. Okay, took just about 4 minutes, and I went through and populated the social scan, and from there you can click this follow connect button, and it says please connect at least one contact. But basically you can select the contacts that it shows to read out here, and it will connect with them socially, and I'll just click a few of them here. Follow connect. So it'll log in. What it'll do is, like, the first thing it'll do is it'll log into Google+, and it will take this email address and it will post a message to them on Google+, and I'll show you the message up here in the master messages. So you can send a message to them from the share on Google+, which is really a cool way to do things. You can invite them to join you on LinkedIn. You can invite them to connect with you on Facebook. You can basically ask them anything. You provide links in the message. So you can do all that. Now, we also have a process where at the same time, and this is all automated, where we follow them on Twitter if you've got your Twitter account put in. And we also add them to the Google+ circles. So anyway, these are the basic things for the Social Connect that we're doing. And so, see, it says it's posting to this email address here. Now, I could have just selected all of them, and if you want to post up to a couple hundred a day, you can do that with this. In addition to the email. So what we're doing here is we're taking this new domain information, the owner of the email, where you can direct email them. And again, I'll show you that in SMTP in just a minute, what we have up there. And we just select the email here that we have set in the SMTP, and we can just hit the button here and send the emails. But we can also reverse engineer where they're at socially, and then begin posting messages, connecting to them, following them on Twitter for what I like to call a full court press. So we're connecting with them in many different ways, and the results are really good when you do this. You can get a lot more a connection, response to your messages, rather than if you just did email alone. But the combination is really good here, and whatever marketing message you have, whatever it is you want to do, you can build your list on Google+, and you can build a Twitter following, and you can induce them to connect with you on LinkedIn and Facebook as well, and then you can market to them over and over. As you do that, you can save this data, and you can build gigantic databases of market niches. If you wanted to, for instance, just put in dentists here, and get all of the dentists in the last day or two, that dentist domains that have been registered. Well, if you're marketing, doing any type of local marketing, SEO, web design, hosting, any of that, here you go. This is a godsend. You can simply find the brand new domains as they come online, the people, connections, and build a list of them and message them at will. So you can do up to 1,000 emails a day with the which should be plenty, with the basic $15 account that we show you where to get, the companies that allow you to do this. We have a couple of different companies. If you want to go above that, you can, though. Now, what's really cool is on any given day, there is between 30 and 40,000 new domains that come online. And you can, if you want, you can email every single one of them, if indeed that's what you want to do. Let me go up to the SMTP right here. I'm going to show you the setup. Basically, we show you how to set this up. It's very simple. The company that you get, it's a shared hosting company. It's $14.95 a month. You come in here, you just put in your information. All of this information is provided to you. It takes you about 10 seconds to put this in. You save it. You go over to SMTP here. You put in your information here, the email address, username, name, password. And then in the emails here, we have the different placeholders for the domain, the owner, and your name if you want it. So here I've got just a little message that says, congratulations on your new domain. And then it's got the domain name populated in the subject line. And when somebody sees their own domain name in the subject line, trust me, they will click on it. And then hello, and then it's got the owner's name, populates right in there for you. I'm reaching out to let you know about a powerful new software that will allow you to promote your new domain. Now, I just put in something that isn't really me here, just for demonstration purposes. But, thank you for your consideration. You can make this as elaborate as you want, but you really don't need to put much in here. It's really very simple and straightforward. I've also got a test email in here. And so you can put in as many email formats as you want and set the emails per minute. I've got mine set to 30 there. And that's it. That's really all you have to do is just bring in the data and send it out. So let me show you a couple other things. Over here, we can put in this is where we put in our Google Plus and Twitter accounts. The message master, you'll probably recognize that name from our other software. So I put in a very simple one right here. Now, this is just a demo, but in practice, you would have a link to your LinkedIn account. And also probably your Facebook as well, so people can connect with you there. I saw your new domain, wanted to reach out to you and see if you needed any help in marketing your business. Just a friendly hello from an experienced marketer. Put your name there. But I would add, to connect with you and to put in your any links that you want here, and you can put in your domain as well if you want, and then you link that Message Master up with whatever LinkedIn account you want, because you can use multiple LinkedIn accounts here so that you can do hundreds of people a day. Each Google Plus account, Google Plus account, each one you can add up to 300 people a day into your circle. So if you're going to do more than that, then you want to run multiple accounts, and then if you want multiple messages, you just sync it here. Each message, you say, okay, I want this account with this message. You select it and click Save. And that's how that works. Up here at the Connect Socially tab, this is for the different databases. If you've got different databases, like I've built a bunch of different databases here, then you can come in here, you can go back, and you can run the Follow Connect. And if people don't respond to you in Google Plus, you can click a button here to unfollow them as well. So you just either Follow Connect or unjoin non-responders. So if they don't add themselves to your circle after a week or so, you just click a button and then you're done with that. But this is really simple, really straightforward stuff. And over here in Twitter, then you can come in here, bring in your account, and any of the followers that you have, you click on that, it brings in your followers, and you just click the one button, and that will allow you to like the tweets of the people that you have followed, inducing them to follow you back. And it gets their attention, and you only have to do it maybe twice a week. Come in here and just take a date range, click this button, and that's it. And you can manage multiple Twitter accounts if indeed that's what you want to do. Back to the menu. We can go back here, do another search if you want, and I'll give you an idea of some of the different stuff you could search for. We could put in dentist, for instance, and you can again, you can set it to whatever you want. 100 is a good number. If you don't like the results you get, all you got to do is, well, just click the button again. But here, let me just set this over here. I like to go back just the 7 days, and you see how quick this data comes in. I just like to go back to 7 days. That's a nice chunk for me. But if you're really doing this on a daily basis, you can just set it to 1 day. So what did we get? We got 55 results. So there's 55 dental domains in the last 7 days that this is pulled in. Now, usually there's a little more than that, honestly, but if you want, you can increase the days. But these are brand new domains. Again, you've got their name, got their email, and you can target as many verticals as you want. We haven't not put a limit on this at all. You can do dentists and plumbers and HVAC and doctors and anything that you want to go after. I like going after marketing companies, but if indeed your target market is realtors, well, you can put in the term realty and grab that and run the social scan and connect with them, build your connections automatically, and send emails to these people. This is a huge development. There is no other software in the world where you can run brand new domain searches like this in an unlimited fashion, come in here and reverse engineer their email addresses, find them socially, and automatically connect and post messages to them. It does not exist. This is the first time it's ever been shown anywhere. So I'm really proud of that, and I wanted to show you that. Now, getting a hold of brand new companies is huge. There is another feature of this software, and I want to go over that in just a moment. Okay, we're back. Let me show you the second part of the software here. Basically, what this is the pulling in of existing companies. When you run a search, you can choose from any of the 320 most populated cities in the United States. In this case, I did a small one, Nampa, Idaho, and dentist. And I pulled in a dozen results. It's actually a pretty small town in southern Idaho. And you can export these results as a CSV. You can include them here. You just type in what you want, like dentist, Nampa, and maybe the date, and then click include. And then when you do that, then you can send the back up to the USS. You can send a connection request to them to the Google Plus, add them in circles, follow them on Twitter, and then send all the connections there. You can also select an email and put a limit if you wanted. Send all of them, 12, and put in your seeded IDs, your own email, so you can see what comes in. making sure that it goes to inbox, and then just hit send emails. So in this case, we got 5 emails. You're not going to get all of them, but you do have a selection here. You can put emails only, and then it will only populate the businesses that you want with emails. So we have here the name of the business, their address, phone, if you ever wanted to contact them via phone, their Facebook presence, Google Plus presence, LinkedIn, Twitter, and you don't get a lot of Instagram, but we do have it available as well, and the website if you want to click to it. So you can do this with any market niche, anything you can possibly think of. Select more than one city if you want. You can create separate files, a single file, and then of course you can email them. So basically what you're doing is, with Client Builder overall, what you're doing is you're either finding brand new companies via the domains as they come online, direct emailing those business owners at their private email and or business email. You are building connections with them socially in a couple of 3 different ways, and then keeping that data so you can build upon it over and over again, so you can continue to market to them, and via email or social connections. And the combination is pretty powerful. And then the second part is you can find and email and build social connections with existing businesses, whatever your target market is, you can do it. One thing that a lot of people don't realize when they look at this is that because you can build entire lists of an entire market niche throughout the nation, it may take you a few days, but you can do it. Export them and combine them. You can actually build entire business-to-business lists that are valuable and sell them. And if you go to purchase, and you can check this out anytime you want, if you Google business-to-business lists and you start inquiring as to how much is a list of realtors, for instance, for the United States, you're going to find that the prices are about $5,000 for a list of all the realty companies in the United States, and they won't contain the social connection data. And so you can actually build very valuable lists and sell them with this software. Once you have the software, it costs nothing to build the lists, and you can just build them and build them and build them. I actually have people that own database companies that use this technology to build and sell lists, and they are very wealthy. Let me tell you, this is not a cheap little $29.95 program. This is something that's somewhat revolutionary. You can hit your target market over and over. You can distinguish yourself from other marketers, get your foot in the door early, and mass message people by the thousands every day. Companies in your target market. This is huge. So, I will include the link to purchase this technology along with this video. This is just an early overview. Are we going to add some more stuff to this? Oh, sure, we're always adding stuff, but by and large, it is completed. I used to sell just this part, just this list building part for, of the software for $199 a month, and I was getting it right and left. And I was actually using the product to market the product. And then we've got into a lot of social leveraging over the last few years. But I brought it back, added the new domains, and I've cut the price in half. And I've had a lot of people want it and purchase it early before I even got it out of beta. We're coming out of beta today. It is the 10th of December, 2015. I want to thank you for watching. And, of course, if you have any questions, please give me a call or email me. And again, thank you for your time, and I hope to see you on the inside. We have a lot of training with this.